What's going on, everybody? This is Liam from Teal, and today we're going to talk about volunteer experience on your resume. This is super important. It's just one more place to showcase your skills, talk about your value. If you have a fleshed out professional history, yes, this is important, but especially if you're new to the workforce, this goes a long way. Now let's break this down into like 5 steps for how to think about it. Number 1, with anything that you put on your resume, you want to determine relevance. Not all volunteer work or work in general is going to be important to have on your resume. So you want to prioritize experiences that align with the roles, responsibilities, and skills that you're going to be applying for. Number 2, how you incorporate it. You can add volunteer work into either work experience or a separate volunteer experience section, depending on its relevance. Number 3, be specific. Just like work experience, you want to list the organization, your duration, and your role clearly. Number 4, highlighting any achievements. Like other work experience, you want to bring to light some of the impact and value that you brought. And step 5, you want to showcase transferable skills. Your volunteer experience might not have been like what you would be up to in the job, but these transferable skills are going to be, you focusing on skills gained during that volunteering that might not be directly one-to-one, but relevant to the job you're doing. All right, so now let's run through an example. We are here, of course, in the Teal resume builder. Let's scroll down on the left side to volunteering and leadership and click on add. As you can see, just like work experience, dialog boxes pop up for you to fill. So let's add in our experience. And this is just an example for you to see what a finished version looks like. First box here, organization, the Midwood High School STEM Club. Involvement, we were the data analytics mentor. City, Brooklyn, state, New York. Start date, August of this year. And we're still there, so we're going to leave off end date and then check I am currently in this position down here below the main box. Now, that main box, additional information, this is where we're going to add the description, the context, and the achievements as well. Now, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through actually what I write in this section because the why is a lot more important than what I actually write. Just to run it through real fast, this top section, that's kind of our like context explainer, and then below that we have our 2 achievements. The big takeaway that we want y'all to go home with is the value thought of your volunteer section is the same as your work experience. What you put here should make a hiring manager go, hey, we like that. We want that on our team. If we look at our example here, our achievements are around training students, the effectiveness of that training, cultivating relationships, and then the invested impact that brought. An example of a type of role that this would be great for, of course, yes, something in data analytics, but beyond that, any role where you would be in a trainer type position. Now, this could be you're a lead on a team and the people that you're interacting with are colleagues, but that could also be something more externally directed, like you're the point person for instruction on a piece of software, member support, customer service, things like that. That is the same value that work achievements would display, and it's the same thing that you want to display in your volunteering experience. Obviously, every volunteer opportunity is a bit different. Yours might not be so cut and dry on what the value is, but take some time, think about it. That's how you can think about it, and also how you can add it to your resume. But that'll do it for today. Let us know if you have any questions on the subject. Check out the Teal platform, like and subscribe, and have a great week.